Everything you heard on social media is completely false. And this is the kind of journalism that these days we have. They say they call it Jandam or something like that, where I wasn't trained like that. There's no training I've had in journalism that says, go and say something that's not true, say it plenty times and it will look like it's true. I've never, in my journalism career practice, said anything that's untrue, anything I've done on the touch screen. We don't say untrue things. We're not trained to say untrue things. We're trained to analyze. But he just says anything that's not true. And people have been telling me that, is it because of the Sammy JP match? I don't know. But he said that I've left my house, my family is gone, my wife is gone. All that is completely untrue. This evening, I've seen Adenta Kumi do a video to respond. But beyond that being untrue, let us deal with the matters. You know, here's a guy who publishes anything. Now, we have heard that apart from having a bench warrant against him, issued directly by the High Court, by Justice Chebafo, a Court of Appeal judge, sitting as an additional High Court judge, issuing a bench warrant against this fugitive from justice. He did come to town. We know he came to town. He did. And Justice Bafo Boni is the acting Chief Justice. And is that Bafo Boni's photograph? Okay. Yes, no, that's not Bafo Boni's photograph. So this is Justice Bafo Boni, who is the acting Chief Justice. Now, we hear something we don't believe. We hear that Justice Bafo Boni is being told by some of the MDC supporters that he should try as much as possible to bring this fugitive from justice, self-styled journalist into town, in spite of a bench warrant issued by a justice of the Court of Appeal. We are hoping that this is not true. And we understand that lawyer Tamaklo, Eduji Tamaklo, is it true that you are also working, to make sure that this fugitive from justice comes to town? That's Lawyer Tamaklo. Lawyer Tamaklo, is it true that you are working to make sure that this guy comes to town in spite of a bench warrant against him from the issued by a Court of Appeal judge, sitting as an additional High Court judge? I mean, these are the things that are concerning to the democracy. This guy that we are talking about, he sits in America, he has a platform, and then he says everything. This is a guy who has just basically torn apart the Ghanaian social fiber to the benefit of some political class. So they like it, to the benefit of some political class. And that's why the Sammy James story is going to be very important today. When they are doing these things, they forget that whatever you sow